Okay, so this video will show you how to replace a button board on a 28-inch RCA LED TV.
Now, I got this TV for free. It's a used TV, obviously, and I hooked it up to my old PC so I can run and test Linux on it. So what you see here is the volume is stuck at 100, and I'll take the remote, try to turn it down, doesn't work. So I could have just left it and unplugged the button board, which I'll show you how to do in just 1 second. So you take the screws off the back of the TV, and you see there's a little ribbon going into the back of the button board, and you can simply just pull that out, which it looks like I'm about to. Oh, always a good call to unplug the electronics before you work on it. So go ahead and unplug the button board, and you can do that, and your problem will be temporarily solved. But if you'd like to replace it, this is how.
So take a Phillips head screwdriver and you just go to town and remove all the screws you can see on the back. And put this into fast forward because it's really boring to watch me take out a million screws for 4 minutes. So you just take a moment.
Okay.
Once you have the back taken off, you notice that the button board is held in by some cheap plastic clips. You can take a little tiny flathead screwdriver, any kind that you have, and fish it out. We'll fast forward this again because it's a really simple process, but I've only done it a couple of times and I'm just kind of fumbling around with the pieces. So you want to be careful. You don't destroy anything. It's just kind of cheap plastic, but what we see me doing right now is taking the new button board and putting it back in that plastic case and sticking it back inside of the TV. It's a little bit finicky. I was trying not to break any of the tiny little plastic pieces. So it just snaps right back in. It's super easy to do. You plug it back in. And let's give it a test.
So I hadn't actually tested this button board before buying it, so let's turn it on. There we go, power's up. And the ultimate test.
There you go, there you have it.
Success, it works. So that's how you replace a button board on a 28-inch RCA LED TV. And
I just thought I'd show a close-up of the button board in case you want to take down the necessary information to look it up for yourself. I was able to find this part on eBay for $13.99, and luckily this is a free TV, so I didn't have to spend anything. But there you go. You don't have to buy a new TV. You don't have to live life without a button